This is Thailand, should I even be surprised? Here are the final results. When me and Dad moved into this house a bit over a year ago now, we didn't have a fridge here for the first month, and then later when Dam's parents moved in, they brought their old fridge with them, and it was very nice to going from not having a fridge at all to having this old fridge. But now when I have started to do more meal preps and I put a lot of food in the fridge, it's very annoying to every time needed to hack things out from here. So today it's time to go and buy a new fridge. It's promotional soft fridges that are a bit bigger than the one we looked at from the beginning, but I think we will go for this size since it's now the same price as a smaller model. Let's just hope now that we can get the fridge through the door. Here we have the new and the old fridge next to each other, and it's quite an upgrade, I will say. So this new fridge feels huge, but I'm very happy about it, and I think we will get use of it since we're living 6 people in this house. And also, if you remember, I told you we only have like one plug in this house, and we definitely need more. So me and Dam gonna go and buy some power lines, and our friend gonna come and help us install the electricity. Do you remember what I told you in the video when we was painting our house? If you want to live in Thailand, you have to learn that things never going to be perfect. So we have installed this plug now for some days, and I have been using it to cooking, and it's been working great some days, and other days it have not been working at all. So of course we went to ask our friend what was wrong, and then he told us, and I'm like, yeah, this is Thailand, should I even be surprised? So when you turn off and on this switch here, you don't only turn off the light, you also turn off this plug. So if you hear now when I turn it on, both the light and the plug and the cooking plate start to work. But yeah, I think this is only a temporary solution because we're gonna make, like, as you know, we're gonna make our kitchen. We haven't done anything since we moved in here, so we're gonna make more plugs. So I think they're gonna fix it then. And we also wait for someone to make the roof. They're gonna fix something with the roof before we're gonna make the ceiling. But yeah, the kitchen gonna be our next project when we have the time, energy, and when the guy have been coming and fixing the roof first. So we finally got the screws for our table in the living room. It should be 16 screws at home. So it's just 14 screws, but I think we will be able to put it up anyway. Some days ago I also went to buy pillows for the sofa and some flowers for the small table, and here are the final results. If we want to continue to make these YouTube videos, we need to go to the mall and buy a new hard drive, because the current hard drive we have on 4 terabyte is almost full. So let's go to Market Village and see if we can find a hard drive or maybe 6 terabyte. I'm back home again and I didn't find a 6TB hard drive, but I found a 5TB one and it cost me 3,790 baht, so not the funniest thing to spend money on, but now we can continue making these videos. So now I have to transfer some files from my old hard drive to the new one and also transfer everything from my memory cards that I have in the camera, and then we will continue this video. We have got home a new package. I feel like we get home package all the time, but yeah, we're trying to fix our house a bit and buy some furniture, and this is probably gonna be the last thing in a while, I think. Let's open it. Dan doesn't know what I ordered, so let's open. This time when we ordered something, we got the screws as well.
Come on.
นี่อะไร
นี่หรือวะข้าวห่มปะ โอ้
ได้ไหม
เนี่ยใหญ่มากต้องมาเลยเหรอ
So the room got like a whole other feeling when we got this blanket on compared to the old blanket that wasn't even ours from the beginning. So I'm really happy with our new blankets. And look what we got. I know what I said in the previous clips. I feel like we get home package all the time, but this is probably gonna be the last thing in a while, I think. But this is not for the living room, this is for our bedroom, and one is gonna be like a table we're gonna have here on the side of the bed because we custom made this bed. Dam's family made it, so it's gonna be high up so we can have like storage under. So all tables alongside the bed is, I don't know, this is not tall enough, so I ordered one very tall here so we can like put a lot of stuff inside as well. So let's open this one first, and the other one is like, I don't even know how to explain it. I have to show you later. But let's try to open this one and put it together. We are really tired to open package and put them together, right? It starts to get a little bit boring. You say yes?
ไม่เป็นไร
อะไรไม่เป็นไร ทำไมไม่ได้พูด พูดอังกฤษดิ Why you don't speak English in the video? Huh? Speak! People gonna believe that you cannot speak. He can actually speak English, just so you know. Why you don't speak in the video? You shy man? You shy man?
No.
No? Why you don't speak that? Okay. Let's open this one. We are very tired of putting together things, so I hope now this time this is gonna be the last thing. Oh no, look at this one. It's gonna take some time, I think.
บอกว่าไม่มีสกรูอีกแล้ว
นี่ Do this. Look at all this. I'm not in a mood for this. But I really want to have my table. So here they want us to screw down this 4 in here, like 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, but they didn't even have any holes for screwing inside. That's weird. So we got really frustrated with this stupid thing and this stupid like description. It's so hard to understand how to do. I have been to training, it's now later in the night, and let's continue and see if we can get it up. I don't know how hard can it be. I don't feel like I'm that bad at reading description, but I'm not the best either, but I'm definitely not bad, you know. But this is, I don't know, like when you gotta put something, they don't tell you what side to put. It's not that detailed. It's really annoying. I'm annoyed at everything right now. But yeah, let's try to get it up.
What side?
What? This inside. This outside. Yeah, I don't know this side or this side.
This side.
You sure this is not gonna sit here?
Yeah, this side. Đến here down. Oh, not ma.
This one, Shima. So now it starts to look like something. Okay, now it's just this side left. Finally, let's move everything from here. And now, okay. Okay, much better. Good. Perfect. Now we can just lie here in the bed and take our things before we always have to like fall down. But now, easy. Perfect. If you're still here, thank you for watching this video.
See you in the next video.
Where we're going on a day trip.